5 home remedies for neck and shoulder pain. Shoulder pain can also be caused because of a lot of factors, the most common being physical stress, spending too long on the computer without moving around, and even over-exercising your body or under-exercising. But a lot of people can have to suffer from shoulder pain due to the ailment like spondylitis. Hence, it's vital to understand the cause. However, in the meanwhile, you can also find respite from some of these home remedies that work in healing shoulder pain. Number 1 is turmeric. Turmeric is a good remedy to relieve the pain in your shoulder, and the curcumin in the turmeric contains the antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce the pain and swelling. Make a paste by mixing 2 tablespoons of the turmeric powder and add 1 or more tablespoons of the coconut oil. Rub this paste over the sore muscle and let it dry. Rinse it off and warm coconut oil. Rub this paste over the sore muscles. Repeat twice daily until the pain is gone. Add 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder to 1 cup of milk and boil it. Sweeten with honey and drink it twice daily to promote the healing. Number 2 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar comes with threatening shoulder pain. Another effective household ingredient is apple cider vinegar. It has anti-inflammatory as well as alkalizing properties that can help to reduce the pain and inflammation. Add 2 cups of the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar to the bathtub of the warm water. Soak in this water for 20 to 30 minutes. Enjoy this relaxing bath once daily for a few days. Number 3 is ginger. Ginger contains the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce the pain and inflammation of any kind, including your shoulder pain. In addition, it improves the blood circulation that promotes the quick healing. Drink 2 to 3 cups of the ginger tea daily to make the tea simmer, and 1 tablespoon of the thinly sliced ginger in 1 hour half cup of the water into 10 minutes. Strain, add honey, drink it. Number 4 is lavender oil. Lavender oil is an excellent essential oil that can help to reduce and relax the tired muscles. This aids in reducing the pain as well as inflammation. Add a few drops of the lavender essential oil to the hot, warm bath or water. Soak your entire body in this soothing bath for 30 minutes. Do this once daily for relaxing your sore shoulder muscles, and mix a few drops of the lavender essential oil in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the warm olive oil and use it to massage the tense and aching shoulder muscle for 10 minutes twice daily for a few days. Number 5 is alfalfa. Alfalfa is another herbal remedy that can help to relieve the pain and swelling. It ensures the smooth blood flow throughout the body, in turn reducing the inflammation and swelling. Drink 1 to 2 cups of the warm alfalfa tea for a few days to treat the shoulder pain, and then add 1 teaspoon of the dried alfalfa leaves to a cup of hot water. Steep for 5 minutes, strain and drink it. Additional tips. Rest the affected area as much as possible for a few days to promote the healing. And then best keep the affected area elevated with the help of a few pillows to reduce the swelling and pain. Maintain the good posture to help your shoulder muscles heal quickly. When experiencing shoulder pain, keep your elbow near your side in order to give your shoulder a break. You can also even try some simple neck stretching exercises to treat the problems. Use a thicker pillow while sleeping and give enough space to your neck and shoulder. Try acupuncture for quick recovery. Practice some light stretching exercises for the area to treat shoulder pain. Drink a few glasses of the warm lemon water daily to prevent the mineral deposits in the joint. Drink a few glasses, and then you can even apply a gel containing 0.01% capsaicin totally on the affected area to reduce the pain. Do not smoke and use tobacco products as they can slow down the healing process.
Thanks for watching.